Welcome back to my channel. It's Nappy Gabby and thank you for clicking to watch this video. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I blow dry my hair. Okay, so I'll be needing my blow dryer, a white tooth comb, some hair butterfly clamps, my oil, and this is basically for heat protect. It's a heat protectant. This is what I'll be using. So I usually like to start from the back and work my way up to the front. So I'm just going to section my hair like so and put the rest aside. Guys, please, if you hear any shouting in the background, just ignore it. Probably my kids as usual. Yeah, so I had to film my video because if I didn't, they will never stop making noise. So I just have to work with that. Okay, so what you want to do is first detangle. My hair is already pretty detangled as I just washed my hair. And guys, I noticed that when blow dry my hair, I prefer to blow dry my hair where it is actually damp, because I tried one time when my hair was actually dry and it was a total failure. Okay, so I found that this method actually works better or best. So I'm just going to show it. That's too much. I'm just going to reduce that. I'm just going to like work that into my hair and make sure every strand is totally coated. I'm going to get that brush again. So when I usually blow dry my hair, I just use the blow dryer. I pull my hair and I just move the blow dryer up and down, up and down. I don't really use a comb to comb through. I prefer this method and I find that it works very well for me. It might not for you, but this is like the best method for me. And guys, from my voice I can I bet you guys can tell I have a cold. Please just excuse that because my voice is really not the best, but please just bear with me. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow to the sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. Can you see that? You guys can see the difference.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, this is my hair blow dry. As you can see, it has kind of shrunk back, but so far this is how it looks. So I'm just going to put it in twist and head to bed. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.